All right, so today right now we're just airing down the tires because we're gonna try and make it up to Mount Benson. I know up there is pretty steep and rocky, so we're not too sure if we're gonna be making it up there today, but we're gonna give it a good go. So the reason why we're not sure if we're gonna be able to make it is because it's just so steep. There's huge boulders and rocks, loose rocks, and at the same time we aren't running lockers, right? So, but we're gonna give it the best shot we got. Stay tuned to find out if we make it up there. All right, so as you've seen, we just came out of the trail there. We're heading towards the 142 main. It's actually the second way we have found how to get there because the gate's locked for fire season. So that's a bonus. So once we hit the 142 main, we're gonna stick on that Forest Service Road and it should bring us right to the bottom trail of Mount Benson. So we're on the way to the bottom of the trailhead to Mount Benson, but we thought we would stop and check out this view we know of. Pretty wicked.
It can be better though.
Oh yeah, just wait until we get to the top of Mount Benson.
I'm excited.
All right, let's go. See, it's blocked off over here, so now we've got to go back down and take that other line anyway. So, what do you do?
It's just more fun for you.
All right, so we've officially made it up Benson. Check that out. Love it up here. Her first time actually up here.
I love it.
I've been up here on dirt bikes and quads and stuff, but that's actually the first time that I've had a vehicle up here. It actually wasn't so bad. And far over there, I'm pretty sure that's Cassidy Airport, Ladysmith. And then back here is all Nanaimo Lakes area. Pretty unreal. Love it. Yeah, to be honest, I actually thought it was gonna be a lot worse, but it actually wasn't too bad at all.
You made it look easy.
Yeah, it wasn't bad at all. Yeah, up here there's actually a bird called the whiskey jack, and it's actually really friendly, and they'll actually come and land on you and you can feed it food or whatever. It's kind of cool. We'll see if we can find one.
Looking for you too.
We have found a whiskey jack. I'll see if I have any treats to feed it. Check that out. What's up, little guy?
Oh yeah, another one coming in. Oh my god, there's like 4 of them.
Eat it, buddy. All right, guys, thanks for tuning into this week's episode.
We made it!
Please like, comment, subscribe if you want to keep seeing epic views up and down the island. And we'll catch you on the next one. Later, guys.